in a final prophecy of Nostradamus. This is not a prophecy of God the Most High. Remember when Moses did miracles before Pharaoh? The sorcerers could do almost all the same miracles up until the final plagues. The king of Israel Saul inquired of soothsayer, oracle, this is an abomination. But it had a result. However, not of God. Nostradamus could foresee into the future. However, it is an abomination to do what he did. In the quatrains, the London premiere through the island of Scotland, with a cold thing, Reb the king who will have so dreadful, an antichrist who will bring them all trouble. Robert Emil Brown, in Century 10 of the Quatrains. Quatrain 66 equals the number of books in the Bible, 39 Old Testament, 27 New Testament. 27 equals the value of the holy name Jesus. Isaiah 45 verse 7, I form the light, and create darkness. I make peace and create evil. I the Lord do all these things, has a sum total value of 316. Using the English septenary cipher, the holy name of Jesus in Hebrew has a Hebrew geometry value of 316. The holy name of Jesus encodes several divine values in the letters that spell his holy names, using different methods. One example is the English alphabet in its ordinal value, times 9. 9 is used by the creator of the universe in a divine manner in many ways. When the ordinal value of each letter of the English alphabet is multiplied by 9, the holy name of Jesus has a value of 666. Messiah has a value of 666. Gospel and cross each have a value of 666. Chi is the symbol of life or the beast in Hebrew. The Hebrew gematria value of the letters is 18. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. Carbon is the basis of all life on Earth. The carbon atom contains 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. Carbon 7, 1 neutron, 6 electrons, 6 protons. This is a 12-to-1 ratio. Jesus and his disciples were equal to this ratio. The cube has 27 geometric elements, 8 corners points, 12 edges, 6 faces and 1 space. The holy name of Jesus, using the English cipher method of value, is 27. The perfect cube 3 times 3 times 3. 27 is used to calculate cubic yards of concrete. The building blocks of civilization itself is calculated using the holy number 27, the cornerstone of it all, Jesus. Space is time in math. The axis of dimension is shown using the cube. The Hebrew letters can represent points in this depiction. Maitreya in Hebrew has a sum total Hebrew gematria value of 666. The Hebrew word for Roman man and betrayed has a Hebrew gematria value of 666. Jesus was a Roman citizen. This is why Herod sent him to Pontius Pilate to be judged. Jesus was betrayed with a kiss by his disciple Judas. The earth has an orbital velocity of 66,600 miles per hour. The human hand contains 27 bones. 27 begins the cosmic sequence, doubling into the divine numbers. The cosmic sequence ends with the sequence number 3456, all having a digital root value of 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Many truths have 27 in their values. 5 is an important number pattern in the Bible. Jesus was pierced 5 times. The Antichrist is mentioned 5 times. In the King James Version of the Bible, Satan is mentioned 55 times. In the King James Version of the Bible, the devil is mentioned 55 times. The devil has a 5-point plan. I will ascend into heaven. I will exalt my throne above the stars of God. I will sit also upon the mount of the congregation in the sides of the north. I will ascend above the heights of the clouds. I will be like the Most High. These words were quoted from the 5th book of the Bible. Christ is mentioned 555 times in the King James Version of the Bible. There are 555 chapters in Psalm 77 version of the King James. Horse in Hebrew has a Hebrew gematria sum total value of 126. Samak has a Hebrew value of 60. Vav has a Hebrew value of 6. Samak has a Hebrew value of 60. A digital root value starts with 666, with a final digital root value of 9. He means the, Jesus means the horse. Like God in Hebrew, has a sum total Hebrew gematria, value of 666. Prophet, has a sum total Hebrew gematria, value of 666. The Holy Ark, has a sum total Hebrew gematria, value of 666. In the beginning God has a Hebrew gematria value of 999. Created the heavens has a Hebrew gematria value of 999. And the earth has a Hebrew gematria value of 703. 999 plus 999 equals 1998. 666 times 3 is 1998. 3996 equals the total geometry. Divine holograph signature of Jesus. 541 equals the Hebrew gematria value of Israel. It also is the number of units that create the Star of Israel. Each 666 segment has a perimeter of 108 units. The secrets of King Solomon were discovered in the caves of the Gihon Springs in the city of David by the Knights Templar. The hazards of these caves were able to be navigated because of a cipher that was utilized, the Atbash cipher. The first letter of the Hebrew alphabet becomes the last letter, using the cipher. The devil or Baphomet becomes wisdom using the Atbash cipher. Matthew 20 verse 16, so the last shall be first and the first last, for many be called but few chosen. God the Lord, He that created the heavens, has a Hebrew gematria sum total of 666. He that spreads forth the earth, has a Hebrew gematria sum total of 666. Let there be lights, has a Hebrew gematria sum total of 666. 20 cubits is 0.04545 furlong. 20 cubits in Hebrew has a sum total Hebrew gematria value of 666. He made the earth. Hebrew has a sum total Hebrew gematria value of 666. The 37th triangle number is 703, that equals the Hebrew gematria value for and the earth in Genesis 1 verse 1. The anagram number 73 equals the triangle number 4. Genesis 1 verse 1 having a Hebrew gematria value sum total of 2701. 37 times 73 equals the Hebrew gematria value for Genesis 1 verse 1, 2701. Using the English septenary cipher, the following message equals 73. The fallen angels, the Nephilim or giants of old, has a value of the anagram numbers 37. The first 3 letters have encoded the sacred number 153. The square root of 153 equals the number of moons in a solar year, 12.369. The reciprocal of the number 137 equals the fine structure constant. If this number did not exist, neither would anything else used in science. 72 equals the number of the names of God. 99 equals He died on the cross using the English septenary cipher. 27 equals the holy name of Jesus using the English septenary cipher. Make a choice using the English alphabet times 6 equals 444. The holy name Jesus using the same method of value also equals 444.